Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix FaceTime app not working. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings. So there is a network problem, that's why maybe FaceTime is not working for you. For that you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds, then turn this off. Now let me tell you that if you're connected with Wi-Fi, then tap on Wi-Fi. You can also turn off your Wi-Fi at least for the 30 or 40 seconds, then turn this on and then check if it's working or not. Okay guys, if you're using Wi-Fi, you can turn to mobile data or vice versa. Then scroll it down from here and just simply have to tap on general and also make sure that you have updated your device to the latest version. Now from here guys, just simply have to go to date and time and also make sure that your date and time is correct. Then go back from here and also make sure that you're not connected with the VPN. Once you have done this guys, just simply make sure that if it's working or not. If it's still not working, open the setting, then scroll it down and look it for the FaceTime app. Here it is guys, make sure that if FaceTime is enabled. If your FaceTime is enabled, just simply disable it for 30 or 40 seconds. Then enable it again and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings, scroll it down, then tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset. From here guys, you have to reset the network setting and force restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.